Good morning, everyone. We need to talk this morning. So did you guys watch my last video? Me telling you a little bit about my winter new project of starting a business. People got a little frustrating with me. Okay, maybe that's my fault. I'm not the expert of like try to reveal but not reveal too much on YouTube. I'm gonna spill all the tea today, all that I know. I wanted to wait till I got more information and thing would be a little bit more set up for me, but I already started to open my mouth, and so I guess I have to keep going. So I'm starting a business, as you know from the last video. Super close from van life, from what I'm doing right now. I think that part was my pleasure of asking you guys, your guests, on this new project. I get entertained, that's for sure. Let me read a couple before I tell you the whole thing. Don't worry, I'm not gonna try. It's gonna be an update video. You gotta get your information. You gotta go to bed. You gotta be happy knowing the whole thing that I know. I wanted to give you more eventually in a week or two, but this is what I have. Okay, comment section, where we are. View all. This is all your comments. Okay, I had a lot of it. Say, I'm guessing a professional photographer, a wedding photography business, a lot of stuff about photography. Photography is my passion. Yes, you're right. But I'm not gonna work for someone or monetize or starting a business with that. It's just my little passion that's need to stay a passion. But that was a good guess. I mean, everything is a kind of good guess. You know, you guys know me. You went with my passion, but no one, I didn't read anything at least that you guys got it. Like I didn't read one person who got it. Some close. Something about cooking, no, it's not that either. A lot of it too. Maybe because I'm on Vancouver Island, maybe that's kind of sparked the thing that I'm gonna work for Chrome. Or that I'm gonna help him with his van gathering project in June. I will help him for his van gathering project in June if he needs me. He can always ask, and I'm gonna help him with pleasure. But no, I'm not gonna actually work for Chrome or take the job of Amanda. She do a way better job than I would ever done. So no, that's not that. A cat. A bunch of stuff with cats and pet photography. I saw that. A cat cafe. I would love that. Would be awesome. But no, it's not the project. After a couple of things, the people kind of stayed back to van life. I had buying a van, and I had do some van build. You kind of have a portion of the clue now. So, what's the project? Let me show you the project. So you guys have a little bit more clue now. So, we are buying one of those vans or something around close to that. I'm not sure. But not for me, but for you guys. I get you more confused, I know. So I'm starting a van rental business, so you guys can rent and go explore the beautiful place that I've been exploring for the past 7 years now. And it's gonna be in one of those nice van. So I'm buying a nice van, but not for myself, for you guys. I wanted to wait that I have a little bit more information, that I talked to a couple dealership and all of this, but you guys gotta have to come with me and follow all this. I wanted to bring you along, but kind of wanted to have a little bit more info, but You got it now. All right. I don't like to vlog into the car dealership. It's kind of awkward, and it's raining. So yeah, Kitty, we're gonna buy one of those van. Yeah. What do you think about that? So I am stoked. I'm a little bit nervous. It's a big project, but it's gonna be a fun project. When I say my last video, that I'm not gonna talk about business in that new project. It's not that I'm not gonna talk about the new business. Not the first time that I met something and people didn't understand the whole thing. It's my fault. I wanted to say I'm not gonna talk about business tip because I was talking about the like business and all this. It's not where I was going. But you guys gonna come into that project. We're gonna build this van this winter to become a rental van for maybe some of you guys, if you like, to rent this van, explore the beautiful Vancouver Island, explore the beautiful British Columbia, and all the beautiful places that I've been showing to you, I should say, for the past 5 years. I'm very, really stoked. A small amount of people know. I already have a couple of my friends like, oh, I want to rent one of yours. Van, I want to come see you. I want you to show me all the beautiful place you've been and all this. So it made me extra happy for that part of being able to bring some of my friends, some of their little family, some of my family, maybe eventually, and explore this beautiful place that I've been calling home for the past, I don't know how many years now, 20 years. Yes, you would think my English would be better after 20 years, but yeah, that's all I got, guys. And after 7 years of traveling full-time and showing you all the beautiful places, and I have the opportunity of traveling all those gorgeous places, I just want to give the opportunity of other people to see those places. And that part really make me excited. That's what's kind of sparked the whole thing. Just have the opportunity of giving those people a chance of visiting those gorgeous places and make some memory to them, on their own, and create some memory with their family and friends. And yeah, that really make me excited. So the reason why I didn't want to talk about exactly the project and then spell the whole thing, which I probably should, because like I said, I make a couple of people mad. It's alright. Sorry. I'm sorry. But the reason is I really wanted to talk with a couple dealership, get just the extra little piece of information that I'm missing for the whole project. If you want, it's a lot of small little thing. But yeah, that's gonna be in, I don't know, this week, next week. I don't know when exactly I'm gonna actually purchase the van, but it's gonna come pretty soon, hopefully. And I also have to ask them. I do have a lot of questions to ask them in the dealership, and that's gonna become this week. Maybe I'm gonna bring you along with me. It's kind of awkward to film, you know what I mean? So maybe I'm gonna go by myself, and when I'm gonna go the second time to kind of finalize things, I'm gonna bring you along, or I don't know. We'll see exactly. But this is the new project. Stoked about it. Stoked. Exciting. A little bit nervous, but that's good. That's good nervousness. And yeah, so now you know all the information that I can give you. There's no mystery. I like to put a little bit of mystery, but I guess that was a little bit too much. Some people didn't like it, but now you have it. So new van's coming, and like I said, no one exactly put the finger on exactly what my new business adventure was. But now you probably, oh yeah, make all sense. All the little things that she always say make all the sense now. So yeah, I am stoked. So yeah, the van build is gonna happen. You guys gonna follow me along, and don't worry, I'm still living in this van. And I'm still gonna adventure, showing you a beautiful place around Vancouver Island, British Columbia, and all this. That will not change. It's just that little extra part of building the van and making all of this happen. which I'm exciting. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, just update. No fancy editing, no fancy things here right now. But yeah, it's gonna be a project for this winter. And so I hope you enjoy this new project. I hope that make you exciting, at least. That make me really, really exciting. And if you want to follow along on this new adventure, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a little thumbs up. And obviously, gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. That's not gonna change. The end of my video never gonna change. We always gonna finish with Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty? Are you excited for the new project? Oh, you give me a kiss. Would you like to give them a kiss, though? That's the question. I know you gave me a kiss. One thing you don't know about Kitty is, like, she probably gave me like 4 or 5 kisses every day. She's a good kisser. But usually she gives 1, and after that, you know, you have to wait a couple hours to get a second one. She's like, that's too many, Mom. 1 is enough. Yeah, 1 is enough. You want to give them a kiss? You want me to bring the camera closer? Alright. Would you like to give them a kiss? Oh, no, she's leaving. Ready? No kiss for them? No? No kiss? Oh, there you go. That's nice. Thank you, Kitty. Alright guys, we'll see you until next time.